Hey, what's up? This is the 10X Success Channel. Today's video, Secrets of Success in Life, is about the super new program, Secrets of Success, by Russell Brunson. Do you know this too? You have a job that's okay, but you're still not fully passionate about your work. You're not bad at your job, but it just doesn't fulfill you 100%. Do you want to follow your passion but are unsure how to make a significant change that won't put your family's finances at risk? Alternatively, perhaps you are aware that your work is not what you are passionate about, but you haven't discovered it yet. Would you prefer to have autonomy over authority figures? Maybe you'd prefer greater flexibility. Do you desire additional autonomy? Do you desire a more harmonious work-life ratio? If you answered yes to at least one of these questions, please stay tuned. Perhaps watching this video will set the stage for a significant improvement in your life. There is often a certain amount of dissatisfaction at first. There is a desire to change something, but there is no concrete idea or implementation plan. I know this situation because I was in it for a very long time. I worked successfully in my 9-to-5 office job for 10 years. I was successful and was primarily responsible for implementing projects worth millions, but I wasn't fulfilled. I lost my passion during this time. There was also no flexibility for my family. I wanted a healthier work-life balance. From personal experience, I can assure you that acknowledging and not ignoring this dissatisfaction is the first and most crucial step. If you allow this to happen, thoughts like the following will arise. How am I going to grow my own company while working a job and taking care of my family? How am I going to find the time? I don't want to put my family under financial pressure. The most important thing you need to do now to find your passion, define an implementation plan, get into action, and ultimately change your life for the better is to work on your mindset. At first, this sounds like an unimportant gimmick or voodoo. This mindset, is it not just a catchphrase? No, I can tell you that much. It all starts with a clear mindset. And you don't get this mindset by watching a few videos on YouTube. You have to work on yourself fundamentally. Additionally, the most successful people of the past century were shaped by tried and true training programs and success strategies. The most important teachers of this science are the well-known Napoleon Hill, his mentor Charles Haanel, the author Orison Swett Marden, and many more. Russell Brunson, the founder of ClickFunnels and successful author of books such as .com Secrets and Traffic Secrets, has spent around $15 million on books, documents, training materials, and their rights in recent years. The unpublished Law of Success book series by Napoleon Hill is his crown jewel. Russell has turned all these achievements into an incredible program called Secrets of Success, a unique and unparalleled approach to learning about mindset and success will be provided here. There are countless training courses, insights into unpublished documents, and ideas for success that go far beyond the well-known book Think and Grow Rich. Incidentally, this book was extremely abridged before publication, as the most powerful principles were to be withheld from the general public. This can all be found in Russell's $1.5 million book. If you want to change your life for the better, if you want more passion, if you want more self-determination and flexibility, if you want a higher income, then please take the first step right now. Sign up for this incredible program. You won't regret it. Quite the opposite. If you are still hesitating, know that you have nothing to lose. You can sign up for a 30-day free membership at successnapoleon.com. If you do this via successnapoleon.com, you will also receive the MIFG, most incredible free gift ever. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to receive the MIFGE, which includes 3 valuable books worth over $1,000. By signing up and utilizing the first 30 days, you not only get the free gift, but also have the chance to attend numerous courses. Seize this limited time offer and take action today to transform your life with a positive mindset. With this video, I hope to have helped at least one person lead a more satisfying life. One's mindset is crucial. Seize this chance.